Hey everybody, and welcome to Keep Drawing. Today we're going to learn how to draw a dolphin just like this one. So let's go ahead and get started. All we need is a sheet of white printer paper and our black marker. And I'm going to start off with a line that just curves down like this. And this is going to be the dolphin's forehead and back, and down here towards the end is where the tail is going to be. Next, I'm going to draw the dolphin's beak. And from there, I'm going to make another line that curves underneath the head and stops right about there. Next, I'm going to put on the pectoral fins, which are the fins down at his sides. For dolphins, we want to make the ends of the fins kind of rounded. And then we'll put the fin that's on the other side of his body right here like this. And I'm going to continue this line where the other one left off for the belly and make it narrower as we end towards where the tail is going to be. For my next step, I'm going to make the tail fins or flukes. One off to the side like this, and another over here. Just going to go back over this line a little here. And for my next step, I'm going to come back up to the front end of the dolphin's body and just imagine a line, an imaginary line that goes from the pectoral fins up to the back, and then I move a little further down, and right about here is where I'm going to put the back or dorsal fin, like this. Now for the mouth. I'm not going to put the mouth line right in the center of the beak. Instead, it's going to be a little closer to the top. And it's going to curve into a smile right about there. And we'll put the eye just about where the mouth ends. Now notice I leave a little bit of white in the center of the eye to catch the light. And I'm going to put just a little dotted line which will separate the top of the dolphin's body from the bottom, because they're usually darker colored on top than they are underneath. And let's go ahead and put a blowhole right about here. Now, if you want to, you might want to add a few details. You might want to show your dolphin leaping out of the water and maybe some water falling off of its body like this. And that's how you draw the dolphin. So let's go ahead and take a look at our finished colored version. If you enjoyed this video, please like or subscribe for more drawing lessons. Thank you.